This time I'm showing you the classic M052 with the double ombre French. So make sure that when you do this technique, you try to like blend a little bit on the design. It's gonna look like a hot mess. Just keep going. There we go. Nice, that's a very nice gradient. Voila! Oh, shoot. Oh, snap, everyone. Ha! Victory! We did it. Now we have to go from right to left. Does that make sense? I also like to use a thick scraper card for this technique. Oh, I think we got it. I think we got it. We're doing it, everybody. Oh, we did it. Oh my God, we did it.